Getting the WV-109146-1 error on your PS5? You are not alone and you are in the right place. Let's get it fixed fast so you can get back to gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will walk you through how to fix the PS5 error WV-109146-1 step by step. Let's dive right into the solutions. Method 1. Check that firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. When you are getting error WV-109146-1 on PS5, you should check that the firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Access your router settings, log into your router's control panel using your web browser. Find the section related to firewall rules or port forwarding. Verify that the following PlayStation Network ports are listed as open and allowed: TCP:80,443,3478,3479,3480, UDP 3478,3479,49152265535. If any of the required ports are blocked, you need to add a new rule to allow traffic on those ports. You can contact your internet service provider for help. Method 2. Adjust DNS settings on your PS5. Head to PS5 settings, then select network, then settings, then set up internet connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, press options and select advanced settings. Set DNS settings to manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Save and go back to network, then run a test internet connection. Method 3. Check PlayStation Network status. This error often shows up when PSN servers are having issues. To check the current server status, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Make sure all services are up and running. If there is a scheduled maintenance or a temporary outage, you will need to wait until it's resolved. Method 4. Forget and reconnect to the network. Refreshing the network connection may clear temporary issues. Here is what to do. Go to Settings, then select Network, then select Settings, then set up Internet connection. Highlight your current network, then select Forget. Wait a few moments, reconnect to the network and enter your password again. Method 5. Update your router firmware. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. Contact your internet service provider or check your router's admin panel to see if a firmware update is available. Update and restart both your router and PS5 after the update. Method 6. Use a wired connection. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for more stable internet. Ethernet offers faster, more reliable speeds and is less affected by interference. Connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable and test the connection again. Method 7. Optimize PS5 placement. Signal interference can impact your Wi-Fi performance, so place your PS5 closer to your router. Make sure there are minimal obstructions like walls or electronics between the devices. Avoid placing your PS5 inside cabinets or behind large objects. Method 8. Contact PlayStation support. If none of these methods worked, the issue might be specific to your account or hardware. Visit the PlayStation support page for further help. Follow the troubleshooting steps provided by the expert team. In the meantime, you can restart your router or modem and your PS5 console to see if that refreshes the connection. And that's it. These are the most effective ways to fix the PS5 error WV-109146-1 unable to connect to the server. If one of these solutions worked for you, hit that like button and subscribe to Silicophilic for more PS5 fixes and tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments which method helped you. It might help others too. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next video.